Okay, y'all, I am back with another unboxing video. I truly thought in this last drop, y'all, hold on, my tooth is bothering me. So if I'm holding my mouth weird or y'all, it's giving me the blues. But anyway, I truly didn't think I was going to get anything from this drop because I was like, I like it. I actually love the bags, but I'm like, do I need the bags? I don't know. But as you can see, I bought something. So let's unbox it together. Okay, well, there's a little name thing. Keep that out of frame. Got a box cutter. Okay, y'all, so I was up at 3 a.m. This dropped. I was on there, seen it, and I'm like, nah, I ain't gonna get it. I got some other suede pieces. Like, I really don't need this. I waited a little bit longer. My husband said, I thought you said they had a drop. You didn't get nothing? I said, nah, I didn't get nothing. Why didn't you get anything? I was like, I don't know. Let me see what you passed up on. So I give him the phone. He looks at me like, you didn't like it? This is decent. I think you should get it. Gotta tell me twice. So let's turn it this way, make sure nothing on there. So I ordered. Y'all, I'm so happy. I don't know what I was thinking why I wasn't gonna order in the beginning. Although I had other pieces in the same suede, I had this in this suede. So y'all, let's open it. Okay. Mind you, I was on there at 3 something. Were y'all on there at 3? Like if you were doing a drop? Y'all, something weird happened while I was on there. So I'm on there and the bags were really cheap. They were cheap. They ain't cheap, but they were cheaper than what they normally have been. And I was shocked. When I was on there at 3, I really could have and got a whole bunch of stuff, but I didn't. I was like, nah, by the time I get to the cart, they're gonna fix the price. Other people talking about, oh, I had to buy mine at a higher price. Some people said they had to get theirs at a lower price. You know how normally they drops be? Y'all have never had a problem with that. Every time like they have a drop, y'all, it's easy for me to get on there and get it. I don't think ever had a problem where people be talking about the website be glitchy for them or crashing on them or whatever it is. They can't find items. Y'all, when I click on there, it goes to the new stuff instantly. I don't know, but when I tell y'all this stuff was cheaper than what it normally is. So, oh my God. All right. Oh, y'all. Okay, honestly, I'm gonna put the other bags that I was gonna get on the screen because I don't know them by name like that. I was gonna get something different because I'm like, okay, oh, y'all, she feels so good. I'm scared. I'm gonna, oh my God, she feels good. Okay, I have been seeing people talk about the bottom. I'm scared. I'm gonna have to do some research on how to protect this bag because it's no like leather bottom or whatever it normally be. And they said the straps were suede as well. Man, I sure picked the bag to buy. Cause I didn't like that other brown one. Ooh, y'all. Can y'all see it? This is pretty in person. This is gorgeous in person. Now, if you don't want to spend all that money, I was in Ross Friday, and they had suede bags the same color. Well, they're probably suede, but y'all know what I'm saying. The same color suede. Look. This light is not, y'all, when I say this light ain't doing it, no. Oh, I'm looking at this bag charm I bought. Oh, you think it's going to be cute? I'm about to put it on. We're going to see. But y'all, she is buttery. Let me not put makeup on it. I don't know what to do because I almost feel like these straps going to be like black when I get done with it. But I don't carry my bags like that. I might have like an outfit or two. I might carry it once or twice a season. I don't really put to use my bags like that. Oh, y'all, she is, baby. Now I low-key want to go and buy, uh-oh. Whoa, hold on. Oh, no. Okay, let me take the stuffing out before I complain. I have a little issue with my zipper. Hold on, y'all. Let's take the stuff out where it ain't squeezing so much. And let's see. Come on, don't do this to me. Not me. Okay. Can you see? Right there in that little spot. Right here, I'm getting a little something. But, uh-oh. Hold on, y'all. We done lost our mic. I'm getting a little something right there. I don't know how it was packaged. Hold on, y'all. I don't know. Like, should I return it? Let's see. It's giving me a little... Although, I can just bring it up. Damn, this zipper kind of taking me through there a little bit. I guess from it being like that. But, okay, this one is sitting right here. Let's see. This one don't have that. See what I'm talking about? And although this one has been, you know, like broken in. Y'all, I got so many bags because I ain't got nowhere to go sitting in front of me. And I'm trying to decide if I want to take it back. Cause, yeah. Like, I am not a take back person, but I'm trying to get to the point where I'm a take back person. Because it's my money. But hold on. I don't know, y'all. Just in that, see that spot? I'll let y'all know somewhere in this video if I decide to take it back. But that kind of bummed me out. But anyway, she is a beauty. Y'all, she gorgeous. Okay, let me take this thing off here and see what it looks like. Hold on, y'all. I got this from Burlington Coat Factory. If you're not watching the vlogs, y'all, this was $9. And look at all the little trinkets on there. You got the beads, this little clover thing, this dog, and this little thing here. I didn't buy this for this purse because, like I said, I wasn't even going to get this purse at all. I got it for another purse. If you are a bad girl, you understand. Y'all. And fall is my season. Woo-wee. Oh, y'all. Oh, I didn't show y'all. And it had the Eiffel Tower on here. I forgot that was even on here. But anyway, y'all, the best bag charms I have seen so far at a decent price has been Burlington Coat Factory. They had a red hot tamale one that I was going to get for the red bag. And I was like, nah, that's going to be too much red. I am regretting I did not get that dang on charm. But oh my God, isn't it cute? Okay, y'all, I think I have covered everything. The inside, what color is the inside, y'all? Brown. It's brown, just like the bag. I can't even. Girl, I feel like this purse is stuffed more than they usually stuff. God, dog. Brown. And I'm like taking out the stuffing because I ain't about to use it no time soon. And then I don't want to, y'all, I might have to take, this zipper is throwing me. I'm struggling. But anyway, there she is. Hope you enjoy. Let me know if you picked up something from that drop because they had some beauties. They had this in the small. I can't do nothing with that small. I don't want to say I'm never buying another one, but y'all, I can't do nothing with that small. At least it got to be medium to large or something else, but I can't do nothing with that small run. I got camera, keys, phone. I can't do nothing with that small. But yeah, what y'all get? And I'll see you guys. I will see you guys in the next unboxing. Bye, y'all.